Hi, and welcome to part 2 of the homemade ice cream that we're making in the Ninja Creamy. For those of you who were here with part 1, we set up our mixture and put it in the freezer for 24 hours. Now our time is up and it's time to go ahead and make the ice cream. And guess what? 2 things. First, I've got my grandson Cameron here with me to help me. Cameron, say hi.
Hi.
And another thing, today is Christmas Eve. So I got on my Santa pajamas and I'm ready for ice cream. So let me get the mixture out of the freezer and we're gonna go from there. So if you remember, we made one with peaches so that we can make sorbet. And then we made some other ones, but let's do the peach first, okay? Let's go ahead and do our peach sorbet. So what we're gonna do, it comes with a cup like this. You take your cup with the peaches in it. We're gonna open that up. As you can see, nice and frozen. We're gonna put that in this cup. Then, this is the lid that comes with it. And you see how it says paddle lock? So we're gonna take the paddle, which is this. This is what blends the ice cream. So we're gonna take this. You take it, you pull this back, hold it back, and then put this in here, and then let it go. So pull it all the way back. Put it in there, and then let it go, and that's how you put it on there, okay? Then we're going to take this, put it on here. Well, there is a thing right here. It says to align, and on here, on the lid, you see the line? So you take that line and line the two up, and turn it till it clicks. Did you hear the click? Okay, so now we're going to put it on the machine and turn it until it locks. Okay, now that it's locked, we're going to go ahead and turn it on. Ta-da! It's on, and we're making sorbet. And one of the options is sorbet. So we are going to just hit the sorbet button and see what happens, okay? Remember, this is my first time using the machine, my first time making ice cream, so you guys bear with me, okay? So let me show you that again. We're gonna put the bowl on here. Once we get the bowl on here, we're going to twist the bowl all the way to the left, and the bowl goes up. I'm gonna do that again. This is how you release it. You push the button over here, and it automatically comes down. But I'm going to do it from this way so you can see. I'm going to twist the bowl and watch how it goes up. See how the bowl went up? Okay. Now we're going to hit sorbet, which is the option that we want. All right. Can you hear it? Can you see it? There we go. So as you can see, it's moving, it's turning it, it's making it into a sorbet. So while it's doing that, I'm gonna go get a bowl and a spoon so we can taste it, okay? All right, it looks like it's almost done. And if you can see the light, you see this light right here? It's telling you that it's doing something. And when it's done, it's gonna come down. And we'll check it. Yeah. I still hear it making noise, so it's still doing something. It's still blinking, so it's still doing something. And it stopped. All right, let's take it out. You push this button right here. And you see how it turned? And then we turn it. And take it out. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to, there's a button right here. You push the button and that releases the lid. So if you didn't see it, the lid turned a little when I pushed that button. See? I'll show you. See? And now we can take the lid off. And look in there, nice and creamy sorbet. I'm gonna put it in a bowl so that we can eat it. Let me take my cup out.
It's going to be very yummy.
Cameron says it's going to be very yummy.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Peach ice cream is the best.
Peach ice cream is the best?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Alrighty. You want to taste first or you want me to taste first?
Me first.
You taste first. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to taste it too. I gave you a lot.
Mmm.
Mmm. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. That's good. If you like peach, that's good. Now remember, you can do your sorbet with any kind of fruit. Next time I'm gonna try pineapples, but this is good. Look at that. You saw how easy that was?
Mm.
Okay. Now we're gonna do one with vanilla ice cream with chocolate chip cookie dough in it. Okay? Because remember, I froze some other ones, two other ones that were just vanilla. Let me get those. I'll be back. Okay, so now remember we froze the vanilla one, but I'm gonna do that one with the cookie dough, but I gotta go clean this out because we don't want the peaches to mix with the vanilla. Not right now. That's another ice cream that I'm gonna make one day. I'm gonna just do the vanilla and use peaches as the mix-in. I'll show you what mix-ins are, okay? Okay, so we have our vanilla. We're gonna go ahead and put that on here. Make our vanilla. Oops. Push it on there till it locks. We're going to do ice cream, okay? And we're gonna let it make ice cream. Once it makes ice cream, we're gonna put our mix in inside, which is going to be our chocolate chip cookie dough. All right, it's almost done because I can hear the change in how it sounds. You can tell that it's slowing down. So it's almost done. And as you can see, it's going all the way across now. You hear it slowing down? And it stopped. So it's done. So now we're going to take that off. The button, it comes down. What we're going to do next, I'm going to take our lid off. See our ice cream. And we are going to scoop out the middle just so that we can put our chocolate chip cookie dough in there. Got a hole that goes all the way down in there. Now we're going to take some chocolate chip cookie dough and scoop that into there. Put that down in there. Just a little bit more. Now we've got our chocolate chip cookie dough in the middle. We're going to put the lid back on. And we're going to put it back on. Lock. And we're going to hit, if you can see this, it says mix in right here. We're going to hit the mix in button. And it's going to start mixing that chocolate chip cookie dough into the ice cream. Sounds like it's slowing down. There it goes. It stopped. Alrighty. Let's take it off of there. And take the lid off. Remember, push the button. Lid comes off. We got chocolate chip cookie ice cream. Look at this. Oh, it's like soft serve. Oh my goodness. Let's do a couple scoops in here. Let's do one more, because I'm greedy. Look at that. All right, so Cameron and I are ready to eat the ice cream. Dig in. And it's like a soft serve. Look at this. It's really creamy. It's like a soft serve. Yeah. All right. See them chocolate chips in there? Look at that. Got cookie dough in there. So, If you like ice cream, and you like sorbet, try out the Ninja Creamy. And like I said, you can do all different kind of flavors. We got another vanilla in there. My husband wants plain vanilla with some chocolate syrup, so I'm gonna blend that one up for him and put some chocolate syrup on it. And then I'm gonna do some vanilla and put some fruit in it, like maybe some strawberries and stuff. But you can do it any kind of way you want. But Cameron and I are getting ready to eat this ice cream while you do us a favor and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you watch part 1 so you know how it started. And guess what? It's Christmas Eve. We'll see you next time in the kitchen. We're getting ready to go and celebrate Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Bye.